Hi everyone, how are you doing? So today we're opening something new to our channel, but before I get started and talk about that, I wanted to remind you that we currently have 2 giveaways going on in our channel. I will leave both of those down below, so if you have not yet entered, definitely check those out. One ends next week and then one ends at the end of February, so there's a lot of time to enter, so they're really fun, so go look into that. But anyways, so today I'm opening something new, so it's called Scents Events. So as the name suggests, it is a fragrance subscription. And I've tried a few fragrance subscriptions before and I really love them. I love perfume, I love smelling good. I just don't like the price tag of perfumes. As you probably know, when you buy full-size perfume, many times it's over $100. And I also like to vary up like what I wear, so I don't want to wear the same thing all the time, and I can't splurge and spend hundreds and hundreds of dollars on perfume. So I love fragrance and perfume subscriptions because I get to try out different things for much less money, and it is awesome. So this one's new to me. I've not tried it before. They sent me over a little package. I think they just sent me a few samples of the types of perfumes they have. So Scents Event, it is $13.95 per month. Well, that's what it starts at. You can get, there's 3 different subscription options starting at $13.95. It's free shipping with all domestic orders. And I do have a code here. It looks like you can enjoy 10% off your next order with promo code WELCOME. So I will leave that down in the description box. So this subscription has 100% authentic fragrances. It's for both men and women. They have over 800 different designers, so you can choose your fragrance each month. You get an 8 milliliter sample each month, and the first time you get it, I think you get one of those like holders like for the atomizer, so you can just spray it, and then you get like 125 sprays. So they say it lasts a month. I've gotten that sample size before in other subscriptions and it lasted me over a month. So if you spray 4 to 5 times a day, then it'll last that long, but it's always lasted me over a month. So I have no idea what they sent me in here, so I'm going to go ahead and open it up. But just so you guys know, I don't think this is like the traditional subscription. They just wanted me to get a sense of what kind of perfumes they have, I believe. Oh, actually, it might be a real one. Okay, so they sent me the subscription and then some extra samples. That's what it is. Sorry for the confusion. I don't peek at my boxes generally before I film. So this is what it'll look like each month when you get your subscription. So I love these containers that they come in. They're super convenient, and I love the gold. I've never gotten a gold one like this before. Isn't that cute? So how these work is you just twist it up and then you'll see the little sprayer there. And let's see what fragrance this is. To know, you just pull it out. And this is by Hermes or Hermes. I'm so bad at pronouncing things. You guys know what that brand is though, don't you? And this is Twilly. So this is 8 ml vial. So this is exactly what you would get in your monthly subscription. And when you do subscribe, you can choose a fragrance that you want, or you can have it be a surprise, I believe. So this is all a surprise for me today, but this is what the subscription size is. I have some other size samples in here, but let's smell this first. So this is Twilly. So I'm just spraying on this card because I'm not sure what one I want to wear today yet. I've got some plants today. Ooh, this smells good. I can smell it without even trying. So I'll just put this one back in since this is the right size. It smells really good. I like this a lot. A+ on this, and I seriously love the gold. This is so cute. So it's reusable, like you just saw how I pulled that out. If you get a different fragrance the next month, you could just put it right back in. You could switch them out, you know, if you don't want to use them all up at once. Like I, for a while, had a few of these types of size, and I just switched it out when I had, you know, felt like a different fragrance. So then they sent me some other sizes, so some samples. Looks like one is a 5 ml, and this is Narciso Rodriguez for her. So this is 5 mLs. Smells good. I'm just gonna spray random things because I don't want to smell like all the scents because I have plans today. I'm gonna choose what I like the most. Well, that was a good spritz on it. That smells really good too. I think I like the first one the best. If you guys have tried any of these, definitely let me know. Since I pronounce things wrong often, there is that. Gosh, I love perfume. Oh, Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue. I know I like this one. So this is one of the smaller samples. I love that they sent me all these so I can kind of give you guys an idea of what they have. So they like some of these are I've heard of before, some I haven't. But of course they have over 800 different like perfumes and colognes on their website. So there's so many. So I'm gonna leave the link below. So definitely browse and see if there's anything you like. But this is such a good scent. I love this one. And this is super cute. I love that they sent these to me. I love perfume. Seriously, I never buy perfume because I get either like samples like this size or smaller in subscription boxes or these fragrance subscriptions. It's so awesome. Okay, and this is Viktor and Rolf Flower Bomb. I've tried scents by them before and I love them, and I think this is a really pricey brand. So again, this would be an awesome one to get in one of these fragrance subscriptions because seriously, like who wants to spend $180? Or I mean, all power to you. Like that's awesome if you can afford that, but I'm gonna spray this. Oh, that's my type of scent. I'm gonna put this one on. I like floral scents, but it's not like too floral. I wish I could describe scents better for you guys, but even when I do like read the descriptions of perfumes and colognes and stuff, they're kind of like entertaining. I don't know how they, you know, they'll be like, oh, it smells like a wonderful day at the beach, but like with way more eloquent words. I'm gonna spray this one on. This one's good. And I heard you're not supposed to like rub it in. Have you guys heard that before? You're supposed to just like pat it because when you rub it, like disrupts the fragrance or something like that. But this smells so good. I had a feeling I would like this just because I've liked their scents in the past. So this is awesome. I really enjoy fragrance subscriptions. Since I've gotten a few in the past and I think I'm getting another one in the future, I was gonna kind of compare all of them. If you guys want that, they're all pretty similarly priced. They just have different perfume options and cologne options. So like I said, this is about $13.95 per month to get one of these holders plus the 8 ml perfume that lasts a whole month. And you can get 10% off with discount code WELCOME. So I will leave all that information down below. And let me know, what's your favorite fragrance? I love fragrances and I always want to try new ones, and maybe if I get this again I can pick my scent. So let me know what your favorite is, especially like wintertime fragrances. I feel like a lot of fragrances I think of or I like kind of turn to are always like more summer, but I do live in Florida, but still I generally like that. So I need kind of a better feel of what like a winter fragrance is. So I'd love to hear your thoughts. So yeah, so the information will be all down below along with the giveaway links. Thank you so much as always for unboxing with me. I love you guys and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.